This video explains how to complete Managing Your Time Part 2. At the start of the semester, you created a study schedule to help you organize your time and prioritize your tasks. Now that we are immersed in Chapter 4 in the discussion of time management, it's time to track how you've actually spent your time and then revisit that schedule to see if adjustments need to be made. So in Step 1, you're going to track your time for 7 straight days, and you can do that by using this weekly time chart here. So if you click here, you'll open up the following Word document and type how you spent your time here. Other options for using tracking your time are using apps such as Rescue Time, Toggl, or Clockify, or another choice. However, if you do, remember that you need to produce a report or a screenshot of how you spent the last 7 days. Make sure you save that to your computer, because you'll submit that along with your responses to the following 10 questions. So once you're ready to answer the questions, you'll click on Managing Your Time Part 2 assignment link. Before you create your thread, I always recommend copying the questions. Use your name as the title. And paste your questions, and you can answer those either directly after the question or hit enter and give yourself some space to answer in between. Also, before you hit post entry, make sure that you submit your weekly time schedule. So wherever you have that saved, make sure that you upload that and hit post entry.